What's up guys, and welcome to this new, I think a bit different kind of video, because in this video I'm going to talk about the reality of a lot of y'all that are hitting 10k or 15k a day, but don't have a proper structure, don't have to have the right strategy and guidance to actually sustain that kind of number, you know? Because like, what's the harsh reality of a lot of people that are hitting 10k a day without the proper structure is, like, let's say, for example, they're going to the German market, so they basically already are fucked to begin with, because now in German market 90% of the payments are with PayPal, and PayPal has a higher chargeback rate and has a higher refund rate than, for example, like let's say you're going to Netherlands with only Ideal, right? So what's the reality for a lot of people is they already enter the wrong market and they don't have a good backend and a good team to sustain the numbers that they're currently doing, you know? And guys, believe me when I say this, I don't want y'all to get fucked by payment processors. I don't want y'all to get holds, you know, to have, for example, open invoices with the supplier, to get a bad relationship with the supplier because of it, you know? And yeah guys, like, it all begins with your foundation, with the strategies that you're currently using, with, for example, like, what is you being taught? For example, do you just chat skill one store to 10k a day? No, obviously not, because you will get holds. It all depends on the strategy like that you're currently having. For example, like, I will give you guys some good golden nuggets right here, you know? Like, let's say you have a fresh store, a fresh Shopify store, and you scale beyond 4k a day. With a fresh store, you will get a reserve for sure. So what is the key to this is, for example, having 1, 2, maybe 3 stores and scaling them, you know, like just slowly but steady, right? So maybe have 2, 3 stores running 2.5, 3, 4k a day to really sustain, for example, 10k a day in terms of payment holds. Let's say you're already doing 300k a month. Of course, you can have good private payment processing, and then yes, you can scale higher on one store. That's also what we do as well, okay? But for a lot of y'all, like, this is not the reality. You know, for a lot of y'all, you're maybe struggling to hit 300k a month, maybe 100k, maybe lower. So please make sure to keep this in mind, like backend first, you know? So please don't come to me saying like, okay, I have a hold, I'm in a German market. Because like, guys, if you take this video seriously, you already know like, okay, I'm going to get a hold when I'm going to German market with PayPal. My funds are on hold for 120 or half a year, then you're like really fucked, okay? So guys, like, when you really want to succeed in this game, for example, want to hit 20k a day, 30k a day. With dropshipping, it's all backend, okay? You should scale from backend to the front end. And why is that? Like, the moment you're, for example, going to scale one store, you're already at 20k a day, like you're chat scaling the fuck out of a few campaigns, but you don't have like a customer service VA yet. You don't have a proper CS manager yet. You don't have like proper, you know? Then you're going to get fucked. And that's a fact. And that's a fact. The moment, for example, you're going to reply to tickets in 2 days or 3 days, the moment you don't even have Disputerfire set up, like, then you're just destined to fail, you know? This game really rewards the people that want it the most, but also the people that take this game most serious. Because like, in this game, like, it's really easy, for example, to eventually scale to 5k a day or 10k a day, but to this shit consistent month after month after month, year after year, that's a different story. Because eventually you will need a whole team from A to C to sustain it. But guys, a lot of y'all are just, for example, starting this as like a side hustle to earn a bit of money, but guys, please treat it like a real business. No? Because then you're really going to succeed. So yeah, like the title of this video already says, like, let's say you're doing 10k a day, but you don't have a good backend, you don't have maybe already a few players in your team, then 10k a day will actually make you a bit depressed. Because like, your chargeback rate will go through the roof, your refund rate as well. You don't keep a lot of money because you don't know how. So like, this is really my message of this video, guys. So please take this business serious. Please make sure to have the right backend, to already build a team, for example, to hire your first or second customer service VA, to treat them well, to also train them well, to use good customer service software, like for example, like let's say Freshdesk or like let's say Georgia's, to also manage your customer service, to see like, okay, what's your response time and are they actually doing a good job. But guys, like, just take this business serious. And I've already said it 3 or 4 times, but like, please, don't come to me saying like, okay, I have a hold or my payments get disabled, but you're running cashmere shit, you're running leather shit. You didn't even do quality check. Maybe you're running a 3D printer product or a AI product that isn't even available, so you can't ship it out. You have a lot of unfulfilled orders that you can't process. Like, then you're just asking, to get holds, to get these kind of problems. Including myself and the guys that I know that are really crushing it, they take this business seriously, That's the point. And if you really want to do 10K a day and not like once, but consistently, month after month, it's all about systems. It's all about having a good team. It's all about having a good backend in place and the right players on the right spots to basically make it consistent for you. Because you shouldn't be doing like tasks of $5 an hour, $6 an hour, $7 an hour, because that's just not worth your time, right? So guys, please make sure to do this. Like, that's my whole message for this video as well, Like, please take this fucking seriously, because like, what's the reality? Most people are just fucking around with it, but that's not how you win. So for example, for your business, like let's say you're doing 3K a day. Please make sure to hire that product lister. Please make sure to hire that customer service VA. Please make sure that someone can create your creatives, can also launch your ads. So you're mainly busy with product research, with the media buying, with, for example, managing your backend, doing the quality checks, do like the more important stuff, And eventually, for example, you can hire your first supply chain manager or a customer service manager to like really outsource more of these kind of tasks, and then you'll like make real money in this game, because having a team will make your business consistent. Because for example, all these small details, like let's say a quality check for a specific product which is in a specific stage, right? Maybe after the second test day, after maybe the first testing day, like all these small processes needs to get automated ASAP, because otherwise your business won't sustain, and that's your reality. And at the end of the day, you're here to build a business. You're here to do like numbers month after month, right? So guys, please make sure to use the right strategies. Please make sure to use the right guidance, so you know like who to hire at what point, so you know like, okay, what kind of solutions do you need to like really scale to the next level. And just basically, like make sure that you're always connected to people that are doing more than you're currently doing now, that have more experience than you're doing right now, so you can also learn from them. So guys, I really hope that you like this video. It was a bit different kind of video as usual, but I think it's a really important one as well. And guys, if you want more videos like these raw talking videos, please let me know. And guys, if you want to learn how I got to like 1 million a month and the strategies that basically got me there, make sure to check out the free community or my inner circle down below. And then I see you guys into the next video. Ciao.